Hey, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, several people have asked me, how do I make my little burger machine, my veggie burger machine? Out of a Tuna Fish Can. I'll show you real quick. Also in this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way I think there is to find the center of a circle. Because I'm going to show you how to make a really accurate center for the Tuna Fish Can. Tuna Fish Can is very simple. In fact, I wasn't going to do the video for a long time because it's such a simple idea. It's basically a 2-inch machine screw. You put a hole in the can of the tuna fish can and a hole in the lid, and then you use a 2-inch machine screw. This is stainless. I couldn't find a stainless washer, but there's stainless nut there. The washer is about 12 years old. I made this 2012. Sorry to rust. It's time to make a new one. But basically, you put the screw and the nut and the washer like that, and this little piece of wood is from Walmart. They had some in the craft section, some little beads. This is the wooden bead. And you put all of your ingredients for your veggie burger, and then this will push it out into the frying pan. It holds it together. The great thing about the veggie burger machine is because you can use a lot of beans in the recipe when you grind them up, and you don't even taste the beans in the recipe. If you're a prepper, you have a lot of beans, and you always want to find new ways to use them. And this is, I think, my favorite gadget I've made in 12 years. Now, if you don't make the hole accurate, it's kind of lopsided, and then the lids don't work too well. If you like the label that's on the can, you can put clear Gorilla tape over the outside, and it'll last a very long time. But I do recommend you spend a few extra pennies and get a stainless steel machine screw bolt instead of a galvanized or zinc coated, because those won't last very long at all. So now, to get the center of your can, you can eyeball it and end up maybe being lopsided, or you can just use a ruler and then put it on a point of the can, and then wherever it is the widest, you'll know where to draw the line is. You can also make like a little micrometer. You can use a piece of paper and a clamp, and sort of this will tell you right where it is too. I like using a pencil and drawing on the can. It's going to be hard to show up on the camera, so what we'll do is we'll make a circle. And I'll show you the easiest way I think there is to make to find out where to put the center of your circle. Now, you don't have to use a ruler. You can use just a piece of paper, like a business card, and fold it over so you know where the center is, and then just put it on the perimeter. But we're going to use a ruler today. And you can use any measurement you want so long as it's easy to divide by 2. So we're going to use 3 inches on this one. So we're going to draw a line, make a chord here, and then put a line right where the center would be 1.5. And do that 2 more times. Any place we want, more or less, so long as it's 3 inches wide. And there we go. One more time. And when we're done, we're going to be able to draw 3 lines that'll intersect, and you'll have the exact center of your circle. And that's, I think, and there's like a half a dozen ways you can make or find out the circle center. But I think this is my favorite way. Now, once we have those center marked, we're going to draw the line that we're going to see where they intersect, and that's where the circle is going to be, the center is going to be at. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. So that's where you want to put your hole. And like I said, you don't have to use a drill. You can use a ice pick, or you can use an awl. When you use a drill, the hole is clean. When using awl, some of the metal's punched out. So you might want to go back in with a hammer and punch the metal down of the hole. But you don't need any power tools, or in fact, you can use a nail and a hammer. You don't need anything special to make your can. And you throw these cans away. So this is a fun little gadget you can make and give to friends and family. And I have half a dozen videos on YouTube on showing you how to make different burgers with this little gadget, so you might want to check it out. All right, guys, I hope this was something helpful to you. And I put new videos on every week. Been doing it for, about 13 years. Got over 900 videos. A bunch of cool people feature on my channel. Or at least me, they would not anyway. And a bunch of cool playlists. And put stuff on 2 or 3 times a week. All right, guys, take care. See you out there. And go make yourself a little veggie burger. And use up them beans.